Morning, sir.
Morning. Right. Did we finish this sum? So far, we have come across some kind of
Yes,
ellipse
sir. With that,
equations. What is the standard equation of ellipse?
x squared by a square plus x square plus by b square
Square by
equals
a
1.
square plus y square by b square is equal to 1.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Another equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square
A square y minus k whole square by b square.
right? You know, vertex of this ellipse is 0, 0.
Yes.
Vertex of this ellipse is
H comma k.
so clearly this equation can be written as x minus 0 whole square. It is h square, right?
Yes.
X minus 0 whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square. Sorry, y minus 0 whole square by b square is equal to 1, right? Now,
Yes.
observe this. It is x minus 0 whole square, it is y minus 0 whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
Convert them, those two expressions as equations.
Yes.
These expressions are converted into equations, that is x minus 0 is equal to 0. This is y minus 0 is equal to 0, right?
Yes.
That means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, which is its vertex.
Yes.
But
Yes, sir.
in the same way, Take this part,
Yes.
convert them as equations and solve them. Equation of the first part is x minus h is equal to 0.
Yes.
That of second is y minus k is equal to 0. That means x is equal to h. Solving it, x minus h is equal to 0, which means x is equal to h. Y minus k is equal to 0 means y is equal to k, right?
Yes, sir.
When we write them as a point, that is h comma k, it's nothing but the vertex. But it vertex a equal to h comma k.
Yes.
So from this discussion, we can understand that, sorry, that there it is, name of it is not vertex, it is center C. It is all center C, right? Yeah, from this discussion, we can understand that center of this parabola, center, the vertex of this ellipse is a plus or minus a comma 0. Vertex of this vertex, this ellipse is h plus or minus a, h plus or minus a comma k. So center, it is center, right?
Yes.
So from this equation, what is the center is asked, right? To
Yes,
find
sir.
the center, we just take the equations. These are two equations, here x is equal to 0. You know what's the name of x is equal to 0? X is equal to 0 is y-axis.
Yes.
Y is equal to 0 means x-axis.
Exact.
Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is 0, 0. Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is 0, 0. Clear?
Yes.
And the point of intersection of the line x minus h is equal to 0 and the line y minus k is equal to 0. Point of intersection of the line x minus h is equal to 0 and the line y minus k is equal to 0 is h comma k, which is center. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now, point of intersection of the line x minus y, sorry, x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. The point of intersection of the line x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And the another line, what is another
X
line?
minus Y.
Is equal to 0. These are two lines.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, another line is x minus y is equal to 0. Point C, it is one line. It is another line. Observe, these two lines are perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
These two lines are perpendicular. That means y-axis and x-axis are perpendicular lines. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Anyhow, it is nothing but the center. Center of this ellipse is point of intersection of these two lines. Got it?
Yes.
Just solve them and finish the solution.
So is X equals 1.
Yes.
Y is also 1, sir.
Yeah. Good. Correct only. X1, Y1. That's good. We did this in the previous class, but
Yes, sir.
in rush, we did it in hurry.
Yes.
Can you answer it? What is asked? Fossa is asked, right?
So is it option 4, sir? Or 1, sir?
It's depend upon the value of the relation between A and B. See, yes, you are right. See, if A greater than B, S is equal plus or minus A comma 0. If A less than B, right?
Yes.
See, x by 2 is equal. What is x by 2? Cos t minus sin t.
Yes.
Y by 3 is equal
Cos t plus sin t.
cos t plus sin t. Squaring and adding on both sides. Squaring and adding. X by 2 whole square plus
Y by 3 whole square.
cos t minus sin t whole square plus cos t plus sin t whole square. Can you tell? Cos t minus sin t whole square plus cos t plus sin t whole square.
2 times cos t square plus
Cos square t by
sin t square.
right. It is x square by 4.
Y square by 3.
9 is equal to
Yes.
dividing both sides by 2. So that we can get the standard equation of ellipse. X square by 8 plus y square by 18 is equal to 1. It
Yes.
is a square, it is b square. Here, which formula is used? First formula or second formula?
So B is greater than A.
Yes, clearly. That means a less than b. B is greater than a means a less than b.
Yes, sir. Is it option A or B?
We don't know. We don't know e.
Yes, sir.
At, it to be found. It to be
Oh,
calculated.
E equals
It has two formula. You know.
root B square minus A square by B square.
In this case, formula for e is b square minus a square by b square. Means 18 minus 8 by b square is
B square 18 square
18. Root 10 by root 18. You know what is root 18?
324.
Okay, just write root 18. Formula is 0 plus or minus b, right? be. B is what is b? B square is equal to 18. So b is equal
Root 18.
root 18 times e means
Root 10 by root 18.
root 18 get cancelled. So answer is
0 plus root 10.
option. Root 18 cancel already.
4. 4, sir.
0
Option
plus
4.
minus, right? This. We need to learn a few more topics. See, it is ellipse. Okay. And this is S. This is S dash. Right? And directrix. Let it be directrix. In some questions, in some problems, we use one basic concept. What is basic concept of parabola? Basic concept of parabola is SP is equal to PM. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Basic concept of parabola is SP is equal to PM. For parabola, it is SP is equal to PM. But for ellipse, it is SP is equal to not PM.
Yes, sir.
EPM. Do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
In parabola, focus and directrix only given. In parabola, focus and directrix is only given. Then we find SP. P is x comma y. SP, distance between x comma y and the given focus. And the perpendicular distance from the from x comma y to the given line. But in case of ellipse, E is also given. Without E, we can't find its equation. What are needed? Focus, directrix, and E.
E.
But in case of parabola, focus and directrix is enough.
Yes.
Right? So what is basic definition for ellipse is SP is equal to E times PM.
Yes, sir.
P is any point on it.
Yes.
P is any point on it. Let us take a point P. For example, let this point be P.
Yes.
Let the coordinates of this point P be x comma y. What is center of general equation of a circle? Sorry, ellipse. It is center C. Can you tell it center? Center coordinates?
0, 0.
Center C.
H, K.
Of course, but in basic, it is 0, 0. Do you remember?
Oh, I said 0, 0 before, sir.
Right. Then it must be x-axis.
Yes, sir.
And it is y-axis. Right?
Yes.
You know, in coordinate system, it is the coordinates of this point are x comma y. Can you tell this distance? Let it be
X.
m. Can you tell what is cm? In coordinate system,
X, sir.
very good. It is x. What is pm? We don't need.
Y.
Cm is x only, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is basic definition for ellipse? That is SP is equal to EPM, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, see. This is P. Let this be PM. Let this be S. SP. Tell what is definition for basic definition. Apply basic definition for SP and PM. SP is equal. Yeah, use it. SP is equal.
EPM.
EPM, very good. SP is equal to EPM. Now, SP. Okay, leave it SP. Now, we want PM. See, PM means this is P, this is M, PM, right?
Yes.
If it is Z, foot of perpendicular of C on directrix is Z, then what is PM equal to? What is the equivalent distance of PM on x-axis? M to P, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is Z to Z to
S. I mean
M,
C,
right?
sir.
ZM, MZ.
Yes. Yeah.
What is this? MZ, right?
And
Now
yes.
see, MZ. This is M, this is Z. I'm overwriting it with another color, green color. I am using green color. See, PM is equal to MZ, right? Agree?
Yes.
Okay, it's already M. Let it be N now. CN, right? Yeah.
Yes.
PM is equal to NZ. Agree?
Yes.
NZ. And we use directrix formula. Do you remember equation of directrix is X is equal to A by E, plus or minus A by E.
Yes.
This formula for directrix. Directrix is X equal plus or minus A by E. That means distance from C to Z. Distance from C to Z. Distance from C to Z is A by E. Observe carefully. We want only NZ.
Yes. Sir.
So NZ is a part of CZ.
Yes. Sir.
NZ is a part of CZ. What is to be subtracted from CZ to get NZ? Red part. This red part is to be subtracted. Sorry, see, it is NZ. Red line is NZ, right?
Yes. Sir.
If we add red line, that is CN,
Yes. Sir.
it becomes CZ,
Yes. Sir.
which is equal to A by E.
Yes. Sir.
Now you can only green part, that means NZ. NZ plus CN is equal to CZ.
C.
C.
Yes. Sir.
NZ plus CN is equal to CZ, which is equal to A by E.
A by A.
But we want here only green line, that is NZ. Please tell
Yes.
what is NZ?
A by E minus C
CN.
S.
We told what is CN. C is center, N is put a perpendicular of the point X comma Y. This distance in coordinate system.
Yes. Sir. So it will be A by E minus CN.
X, A by E minus,
CN
yes, CN. What is CN?
X. Sir.
Yes. NZ is equal to A by E minus X, right? It's not the
Yes.
solution of the question. We are learning one special principle, one special formula. We are deriving a special formula, right?
Yes.
Yeah. This is equal to NZ. Equal to NZ is PM. It is PM, right?
Yes.
Please tell what is to be written in the place of PM? That is A by E minus X. So SP is equal to E times A by E minus X, right?
Yes. Sir.
Tell what is SP? E into A by E
Into A by E minus
minus
EX.
X. E cancel, right?
Yes.
Now, if you take S, we got the result SP is equal to A minus EX.
Yes. Sir.
If you take S dash, here also we can use the same formula. S dash is also foci. So we can apply same formula. Try to continue. S dash P is equal. S dash P is equal to
S P
that also
equal
EPM.
to A minus. Yes. Sir.
Yeah, not APM. Not
Yeah. EPM.
yeah. S dash P is equal to APM. Yeah, we can take this part. This is directrix, right?
Yes. Sir.
Now, if we complete this conclusion, it will be A minus A plus EX. It will become A plus EX.
Yes. Sir.
Got it?
Yes.
If we add these two, what happens? SP, it is SP. SP plus S dash P is equal. SP is A minus EX.
Two
Take
S. Two.
2A.
2S.
Yes. This is the conclusion. Conclusion of this derivation is if you take any ellipse, and S and S dash are its foci. P is any point on the ellipse. It can be any point, but it must be on this ellipse. Take any point on ellipse, then this smart formula is SP plus S dash P is equal to A.
Yes, sir.
Read once. SP plus.
SP plus S dash P equals to A.
Yeah, it is very standard formula in ellipse. There are a lot of things ellipse we should learn. The main important thing here is in this calculation, it is SP plus S dash P equal to A. Got it?
Yes.
Note down at least this point. SP
Yes.
plus S dash P is equal to A.
2A.
Right. Now, let's have a look at this question. A cone passing through the origin. Cone means here the present topic is ellipse. And one information about that MCWC, that is World Cup mental calculation. There is a discussion is going on. That means fight is going on in group. We have group. Aspirants have a group connected by the organizer, Ralph Lowe. MCWC mental calculation World Cup at its formula. It's a abbreviation, but some are suggesting that, arguing that convert it as a mental calculation world champion. The discussion is going on. Anyhow, the main thing for us is it has another category, that is junior category is also there. And proud for Indians is Aryan. Aryan entered junior category last, that means 2022.
Yes.
Entered as participant, junior category participant. And he was champion of junior category. Surprisingly, his score is greater than the champion of senior category also. So he won 2 titles. One is junior category champion and overall champion.
Yes.
Last year, India got championship in that competition. Aryan, a child, that means not child, 13 years or something like that.
Yes, sir.
And he has also some records. Okay. Junior category is also there. That means juniors need not compete with seniors. Are you belong to junior category?
Right now we have
under 18 years, I think, junior category means.
Yes.
Okay. See, it is x-axis. Right from 2008 till now, in every competition, Indians only be the champions. 2022, it is Aryan, a child. Of course, now he may not be a child. Before that, Banu from India only, champion. And before that, from 2008 to 2020, Priyanshi Swamani. I think Priyanshi Swamani is not participating. Maybe what are the reasons? Even though only from 2008, right from 2008 to 2022, it is period is 10 plus 4, 14 years. Yeah, 14 years, I think. Yeah. For the last 14 years, only Indians are champions.
Yes.
And the contribution, that contribution is from India only.
Yes.
In the group, there is a discussion. If Indians are there, we need to participate for second place. I find it very interesting and I feel it very proud.
Yes.
Once Modi, our PM, also told to encourage, to motivate exam going students. That's called Chai Pe Chicha. Have you ever heard of it? Chai Pe Chicha? Yeah, Modi, PM Modi motivate every year at the time of examination, motivates students by some discussion through radio or some websites or TV, TV also. He in every speech he includes the word, we the Indians need not worry about mathematics because mathematics is there in our DNA only, because our ancestors, our our four fathers are the founders of mathematics. They laid the foundation stone for mathematics. That's why mathematics is there in our blood and in our DNA. So if we put efforts, if we work hard, definitely we will be expert in mathematics. His quote is his sentences. See, it is also proved in any competitions. If you take any greatest mathematicians list, there must be Indian in any category, in any area. A conic passing through the origin has its foci at 5,12. A conic passing through origin. That means there is a conic passing through origin. Yes, this is a cone like this. See, this origin is not center. It's just passing through it. A cone is passing through origin. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. See, it is not perfect. Okay, adjust it. And see, foci are 5,12.
24 by
One is 5, 5,12.
and 24 by sorry, comma 7.
Yeah, it is 5,12. Another one is 24,7.
24 comma 7.
It is yes, sir. It is yes dash. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, we just learned one derivation, one formula. That is, if you take any point, let us take this point P, because we don't know, we don't have any clue to take that point except origin. It is passing through origin. That means we can take that point. I asked you previously to note down that point. What is that point? SP plus?
SP plus SP S dash P equals to A.
Very good. SP plus S dash P is equal to A, right? See,
Yes.
it is SP. First tell what is SP? Where P is 0, 0. SP, distance between S and P. Calculate.
5.
No, that is 24/7. It is 0, 0. Distance between 24/7 0, 0.
When root 20. By 27.
Doing
22, sir. 22.9 or something.
root of
Root of 24 whole
24,
square.
576, right?
Yes, sir.
Plus 7 square,
49.
49. And finally, I strongly suggest you that even if it is not this year, someday you must take part in it. It connects. It happens every 2 years. Yeah. Uh, take uh, take um, this one of your goals list. Definitely, because I observed that your calculating speed is fast. Yeah, some calculations are very fast being done by. Tell this root of 576 plus 49.
Root 625, sir.
625, right? What is root 625?
25.
So SP is equal to 25.
Yes, sir.
What is S dash P? It is S dash P.
25 plus 1, 44. 169, 13, sir.
13, right? Yes, it is asked, right?
Yes,
See, you know, it is A comma 0. It is minus A comma 0, right?
yes,
What is distance between S and S dash? A comma 0 minus A comma 0. I told you many times. If y coordinates are same, then distance between them is difference of x
X,
coordinates.
right. Yeah.
AE minus of minus AE.
2A,
2AE, right? Very good. First, and find the distance between these 2 points. That is 2AE. 2AE is equal distance between 5 comma 12 and 24 comma 7. It may not be simple.
24 minus 5. 24 minus 5. 19. 19 times 19. 361.
Root
7. 7. Root 361.
you can get clue from
24 minus
you can get clue from the options. Clue is there very clearly in the options. Do it again and get clue from options to find the distance.
24 minus 5 whole square.
Yeah, that is 19.
Plus,
19 square is 361.
yeah, plus 7 minus 12.
Yeah, minus 5.
That's 20.
325.
Negative 5 whole square. 25. 361 minus
Yeah.
25.
No, not minus, whole square.
Sorry, plus. So 386.
Very good.
Root 386.
Got the clue from options?
All the options have same root.
Yeah, 386. And AE is equal to half root of 386. But we need A only, right?
Yes, sir.
For that we need A. But we know SP plus S dash P is equal
2A.
to A. Just add these two. SP plus S dash P. Add these two.
25 plus 30. 38.
38. 2A is equal to 38. Then A is equal
38 by 2. That's 1. 19.
so clearly E is equal
Mm,
A is equal to 1 by 20 root of 386, right?
yes.
So E is equal by A. See, A is 19.
Yes, sir.
19 times E is equal to 1 by 20 root of 386.
Yes.
So E is equal by 19.
38.
Yeah, 1 by 38.
Oh, root times root 386. So option 1, sir.
It's very interesting calculation. We can see another question involving the statement SP plus S dash P is equal to A. I'll show it. Oh, I'm afraid slides might be lost, but they are there.
it's 2 root 2 by 3, no, sir.
Yes, this is. Using same concept, you can solve it. SP is given.
SP plus
It's not the same.
SP1.
It's buckle card. No, it is different. We'll see it later. This completed, right?
Yes.
See this. The directives of the ellipse. First of all, we need to convert it into the standard form. Let us do it quickly. It is the given ellipse. Take 3 comma. Let's do it later. Yes. First do it. That are the second case questions. The third case questions will be done later.
Yes.
It is ellipse, right?
Yes.
Do you remember formula for length of lattice rectum? In
2p
parabola,
square
in
by
parabola,
a
what is length? In parabola, what is the length of lattice rectum?
4s.
Here also, length of lattice rectum formula are there, but two cases. In parabola, length of lattice rectum is 4a for all 8 cases.
Yes.
Parabola has 8 cases, ellipse has 4 cases. In 8 cases of parabola, length of lattice rectum is 4a only. But what is length of lattice rectum? Length of lattice rectum is a line segment drawn perpendicular to focus. Here it is focus, it is length of lattice rectum. It is focus, it is length of lattice rectum. Both length of lattice rectums are same in case ellipse, and in case of parabola, there exists only one length of lattice rectum. So one lattice rectum, its length is 4a. But in case of ellipse, there exists two lattice rectums. So their lengths also equal. That is 2b square by a. What is the length of lattice rectum formula? 2b square by a.
Okay, by
And take another ellipse. In case it is focus, it is length of lattice rectum. Here length of lattice rectum formula 2a square by b. How can I identify whether it belongs to first case or second case? In the first case, a greater than b. If a greater than b, it is the first case. If a less than b, it is the second case. Got it?
yes.
Now take this ellipse equation and simplify it. That means convert it into standard form. See what
X
happens.
square by 9 plus y square by 5 equals
That's good. X square by 9. No, no, no. 9x square by 40.
9.
9x square plus 5y square is equal to 45. Dividing both sides by 45.
Yes, sir.
By 45 by 45. By 45.
Oh, x square by 5 plus y square by 9 equals
It
1.
is a square, it is b square.
Yes.
Then which case? First case or second case?
Second case.
Yeah, a less than b. So length
Yes.
of lattice rectum. So it belongs to the second case. Yes, in this case, what is the length of lattice rectum? 2?
2b square by a.
No, it's first case.
Or
Tell.
2a square by b.
Very good. And finish.
2 times 5 by 3, sir.
B, what is?
10 over 10
Yeah,
over 3, sir.
yes,
Is
correct.
the
Correct.
answer. Option 1.
And I suggest you by searching in Google or something else, suggest a pick for background.
Yes.
It is used for a long time.
So
Yeah,
background.
background pick. It's not actually my house.
Oh, the background. Okay.
Yeah, it's just background only. If my students, if they used to ask me, is it your house? It is just a green mat. I use a green mat backside, and it is the image collected from Google. And we need to search for it. Yeah, an image, background image for Zoom, especially Zoom.
Yes.
And there is another means to teach online, that is OBS Studio. Generally, all the education platforms use OBS Studio. But the drawback of OBS Studio is from student side, they cannot talk. They just send message only.
Send messages. Yes.
But in that case, there is an option for to increase the size of image. That means teacher video. But
Yes.
in Zoom, fixed size. We cannot increase or decreasing the video of teacher. See,
Yes.
tell answer is 2 times 5 by B. B is 3.
3, 3.
10 by 3. Option 1. There is a formula. We need to discuss that formula. Yes, it's very interesting. Similar, we did similar. We solve similar problems. The distance between foci. Do you remember? We just used in the previous question. In the first question, we use the concept distance between foci. What is distance between foci?
Yes.
By chance, tomorrow we will be discussing the story of x square by a square plus y square by b square. It's very interesting. The story of x square by a square
Plus
uh,
y
plus
square
y
plus
square by b square is equal to 1. Yeah, it is
yeah.
another file. It is another file, PPT file. But in this question, we used distance between foci. That means S S dash. You calculated the distance between 5 comma 12 and 24 comma 7. One is S, another one is S dash. You calculated S S dash. After calculating the distance between S and S dash, it is equated to 2AE. Keep this point in your mind. Distance between foci is 2AE.
2a.
Distance between foci is
2a.
right. See, it is ellipse. It is not perfect ellipse. See, yes, yes dash. It is yes, it is yes dash. Distance between S and S dash is 2AE, right?
2a.
2AE, right? It is 2AE. And see, first read the problem very clearly. In the ellipse, the distance between the foci is equal to the distance between focus and one end of minor axis. You know, it is minor axis.
Yes.
Half of minor axis. We need only one end of minor axis. You know, length of major axis is 2A, while length of minor axis is 2B.
2. Yes.
Yeah, it is 2B. So it is only B. And I asked you to remember one formula. It is the most useful formula in ellipse. That is b square is equal.
A times
That is
1
one.
minus e square.
Very good. That means b square is equal to a square minus a square e square.
Yes.
Got it? Now, see, in the ellipse, the distance between the foci and is equal to the distance between a focus and one end of minor axis. It is focus and this is one end of minor axis. It is called B. B and S is SB are equal. Both are equal. What are equal? In the ellipse, the distance between foci, that is 2AE.
Yes.
2AE is equal to distance between distance between a focus and one end of minor axis. So S
Yes.
and B, SB, it is equal to SB. 2AE is equal to SB, right? Do you know the coordinates of S? AE comma 0.
Yes.
Coordinates of B, 0 comma B.
Yes.
What is its distance? That is SB. Using distance formula, AE minus 0 whole square,
A
square
square
E square,
plus
0 minus B
B.
whole square, B square. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
In the problem, it is given this SB is equal to AE. That
Yes.
means AE is equal to.
Root of is A square E square plus B square.
And I need to tell one thing. I gifted a book to my previous boss yesterday. I met that previous boss, and every time when I meet some important persons, it is my habit to present them with books.
Yes.
Present them books. Yeah, I presented Power, the Power,
Oh,
Rhonda Byrne, the writer of Secret. Did I
secret.
tell you
Yes.
about Secret?
Yes.
Yeah. Uh, Same writer wrote another book that is The Power and also The Hero and The Magic. I strongly suggest you to read her books. First, start with Secret. I have already sent you the digital copy of Secret.
Yes, sir.
Right. You must read it whenever you get time. Read slowly, slowly, slowly. Definitely, it is a life-changing book. And browse that book. And I saw one beautiful quotation. And while presenting that book to that person, I told that quote, and I really liked that quote. And by experience, I understand that that quote is 100% correct.
Yes.
Conclusion of that quote is actual quote is success does not give happiness. Success does not give happiness.
Yes.
Happiness can give success. It is actually Telugu book. Vijayamo Santosha Nevado. It's fact. We may feel, but actually happiness cannot be obtained from this success. But the sure thing is సంతోషము విజయాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. If you try to feel happy in every situation, in every area of life, definitely we are reaching our goals. We are getting success. Probability of success is more. Uh, the meaning of that quote. Happiness
Yes.
gives success.
Yes.
Definitely. That means if you feel happy in every area and in every situation, we tend to feel happy.
Yes.
Definitely, we are on the track to success. We attract success. And definitely, law of attraction is the recent formula, that is recent concept in the world globally. It's very popular. Law of attraction. We attract by our mental attitude. So
Yes.
I strongly suggest you to read that book, The Secret. Do you have that copy with you right now? Yeah, you may sit.
Yes. You sent it to
Yeah,
me.
definitely must read it. Its language is high, and its concept is also somewhat high, but you can understand. Yeah, this 2AE is equal A square E square plus B square, right? And of course, the code has some limitations. For example, in your school, if your teacher is scolding you, don't have happy expression. Of course, there are some the code has some limitations, but yeah, we understand that the code and try to follow it. That's it. And the teacher may misunderstand that attitude at that time. See, sparing on both sides. I think there is no question of scolding by teachers in American schools or shouting also.
Scolding.
Am I right?
They'll warn us. If we don't listen, they'll write us off.
Okay, that's it only. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I mean, discipline report and stuff.
Okay, simply.
Yeah.
4a square e square is equal a square e square plus b square, right? Right, okay. Now, what is this conclusion? 4a square e square minus a square e square will become 3a square e square, right?
3a square e square e
It's equal to
plus
b square.
b
And
square.
I told you the most useful formula in ellipse is b square is
A
equal
square minus a square e square.
to right. 3a square e square. B square means a
A
square minus
minus a square e square. 4a square e
3a
square
square e
equals a
square.
square.
We have to write here. We can get answer simply. Of course, yeah, 4a square e square is equal to a square. E square is equal to a square by 4a square.
A square by
Agree?
4a. Yes, sir.
So it is equal to,
1 by 4.
so E is equal to
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Option 1.
Option.
1, sir.
And I also suggest you, whenever you have time, you may watch the classes, evening class, that is parabola class. And there are some useful points also discussed in that class. And
Yes.
day before yesterday's class, 2 days back, I will get the link and send it to you. There is some beautiful shortcut in that class. I will tell you the shortcuts also, but once we complete all the three conics, I generalize the shortcuts: parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. These three chapters belongs to one category that is called conics. I told you, I demonstrate you why these are called conics by using character.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is it the same shape and same model in states also? Carrot, is it available there?
Uh, I don't know, sir.
Yeah,
On conic?
carrot, vegetable.
Oh, carrot is similar.
No, carrot, vegetable, carrot. I showed. I
Yeah.
to explain coding section.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same food items.
But we
Maybe
but we never came across that topic here, sir.
okay, right.
Yeah. We don't have Eclipse yet.
You're taking same Indian food only there also.
Oh, food wise, yes, sir, we are.
Okay, okay.
We
You're
do have
showing.
carrot here.
Okay, carrot. It is in the shape
Yeah,
of.
yeah, we do have. Yeah, it's in the same shape.
Yeah, you can do it. Take screenshot of it.
Yes, sense.
Solve it. Got
Yes, sir.
this also. Practice is more important in learning mathematics. Mathematics is practice-based subject. Got it? Taken?
Yes, sir.
That's try these two sums. And by chance, in tomorrow class we will learn. We will be learning. We will be having that story. The story behind x square by a square plus y square by b square. It's very interesting. There is a story in writing as we discussed. Sp plus s dash p is equal to 2a. How it comes, right? And there is an interesting story behind x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. It is a standard equation of ellipse, right?
Yes.
The story behind it, will be explaining in the next class. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Tanika. See you in the next class. Good night.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Thank you.